Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Unbox Everything. Today we will be unboxing yet another lens, another Tamron lens. So let's just jump right to it. Instruction manual as always. And then that's kind of it. You just get the lens inside. So I'm just gonna take it out. There's nothing else in the box. I'm just gonna put it up on the side. More little boxes. This is the lens. It's not much different from the 17 to 28 actually. In fact, it's really similar. It looks almost the same, exactly the same. It has the same lens hood. In fact, it's probably the exact same lens hood that they probably fit into their lenses. And it has the same focus ring and zoom rings as well as the 17 to 28. So it's interesting that this is kind of the design that they've gone for overall in general. The lens cap is also exactly the same. One thing that is different that I can say straight off the bat is that the lens barrel extends this time around, whereas the 17 to 28 did not. In fact, let me grab it and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. So here we have the Tamron 17 to 28 f2.8, and I gotta say they look basically the same. And in fact, actually, the size is almost identical as well. They're not that much different from one another. So if I just put the lens cap back on, I mean, there is a slight difference, but it's not massive. You can't really notice it. I mean, if I put this on my camera and, you know, I was walking around, it would look almost like carrying this around. Obviously, the difference being that this is wide and this has kind of like a short telephoto zoom range. And what I was saying about the lens barrel not extending, in this one the lens profile stays exactly the same. It doesn't zoom in or out, whereas in this one, if I zoom it in, it slightly extrudes out, but that's okay, that's fine. I mean, it's not much, and the focal range is actually really nice on this because you get like not super wide but wide enough, I think, and it goes beyond what I call the kind of standard zoom range, which is 55, which is roughly what you get in a standard kit lens. It goes into all the way to 75, so you get a nice kind of varied zoom range, and that's kind of it. I can't wait to just have a play around with this lens and see how it performs. If it performs the same as this one, then it will be very good, because the wide angle one, the 17 to 28, it's sharp, it's fast, it can focus very fast, it has a wide aperture as well, like wide enough anyway. This lens can do all those things and tick all those boxes, then I can almost see this one replacing the Sony G Master lens that we're shooting it with right now, which is a 24 to 105. So many focal ranges. Sometimes I get confused myself, I have to think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I will do some B-roll footage. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as always. I appreciate any kind of support, and leave any comments down below. Take care, stay safe, peace.